Hello, this is my prototype setup for an OpenIPC FPV system. This is an IP camera using a Sigma Star SSC30KQ CPU. And this is a Radxa 03W single board computer. They both have USB Wi-Fi modules. And they use them for transmitting live HD video, which you can see on this display. So I will eventually be putting this on this drone to use as an FPV system to replace the analog system here. This is very much a work in progress. As you can see, it's a bunch of wires everywhere, but I've ordered some custom PCBs to mount this neatly on the drone, and also I'll be trying to make some box goggles using this display and VSBC. So stay tuned for future videos. For those of you who don't know, OpenIPC is an open source firmware for IP cameras, which can be used for FPV. To have an OpenIPC FPV system, you can make one yourself, which is what I did. I bought an IP camera from AliExpress and flashed it with the OpenIPC FPV firmware, using the instructions on the GitHub page and some help from people on the Telegram chat. Although DIY is still the cheapest option, there exist some pre-built air units and receiver modules available to buy, but they are still in the testing phase. Overall, I think OpenIPC is a very interesting project, a cheaper, more versatile, open source alternative to the digital FPV systems from DJI and Volksnail.